All right, let's talk audio. Because the all-new XStar, it doesn't just play music, it amplifies every moment. This is MAAX Audio, the MasterCraft Aft Audio Experience. It's the first ever full transom sound system delivering premium audio directly to your surfers. But that's just the beginning. In total, we're talking 6 subwoofers, 10 cockpit speakers, 4 on the tower, and of course, those 6 transom speakers. That's 26 speakers on your XStar, delivering over 4,700 watts of pure power. Yes, it's loud, but it's also studio level clear. And here's where it gets really cool. There are 7 customizable zones. Want heavier bass at the transom but chill vibes in the cockpit? Done. Everyone gets their perfect mix, no compromises. From the bow, to the tower, to the transom, the music truly surrounds you. It's not just sound, it's a fully immersive experience that changes the way you enjoy the water. MAAX Audio. It's only on the XStar. And once you hear it, trust me, you'll never settle for less.